Adarsh Vidyalaya Maths online class. Last class we discussed first chapter relations and function, Cartesian product. For in exercise 1.1, 3 sums completed. Now we discuss fourth sum. If A is equal to set of 5, 6, B is equal to set of 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So first you find A cross A, that is LHS side, and RHS side. First you complete bracket B cross B and C cross C, and these two answers we get intersection. The LHS and RHS equal. You want to show that. So first given A is equal to set of 5, 6, B is equal to set of 4, 5, 6, C is equal to set of 5, 6, 7. So first you find A cross A is equal to, here A answer 5, 6, cross again A 5, 6. So take Cartesian product 5, 5 and 5, 6. Second we take 6, 5 and 6, 6. So this is A cross A answer. That is equation number 1. Next you find B cross B. B cross B is equal to, B answer, the set of 4, 5, 6 cross again B. So 4, 5, 6. So take first element 4 and 4, 5, 6. 4, 4. Next 4, 5. Next 4, 6. Next one take 5 and 4, 5, 6. So 5, 4, 5, 5, 6. Next one third element 6 and 4, 5, 6. So 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So that's all. This is a B cross B answer. Next you find C cross C. C cross C. What is the C answer? 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 cross again C. So 5, 6, 7. So take first two elements 5 and 5, 6, 7. So 5, 5, 6 and 5, 7. Next we take 6 and 5, 6, 7. So 6, 5, 6, 6 and 6, 7. Third one 7 and 5, 6, 7. 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So that's all. So RHS side B cross B and C cross C completed. Next we take intersection. So B cross B intersection C cross C is equal to, B cross B answer 4, 4 and 4, 5, 4, 6. Next 5, 4, 5, 5, 6. Next 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. And the intersection C cross C answer. What is C cross C answer? 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So here B cross B answer and C cross C answer completed. So you want to take intersection. Intersection means common. So what are the common in these two? Check it. Fourth term 5, 4. Here no 5, 4. 5, 5. So 5, 5 and 5, 6. Here next one. 6 term. 6, 4. Here there is no 6, 4. 6, 5. No 6. Here 6, 5 is there. So 6, 5. Next 6, 6. These two common. So any other common term? No. At last what we get? 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. So this is RHS same. That is multiplication number 2. See that first equation 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. In the second equation 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. So what do you understand from this? From equation 1 and 2. So A cross A answer equation 1. B cross B intersection C cross C equation number 2. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So that is verified. So we want to show that this answer. So we check it. Is these two equal? Is it clear? So next one, fifth sum. Fifth sum, 4 sets are given A, B, C, D. So first you bracket is completed and then so here bracket is completed now and then take intersection or union. So you completed. That is the homework. Fifth one, homework. Now we discuss sixth question. Let A is equal to X set of X belongs to W such that X less than 2. B is equal to set of X belongs to N such that 1 less than X less than equal to 4 and C equal to the set of 3, 5. Verify that here 3 options are there. First option homework. Second and third now we do it. So here A is equal to X belongs to W means what? That is whole number. X less than 2 only. So before we write the elements of A. Given A is equal to set of X belongs to W such that X less than 2. So what are the elements? X belongs to W means whole number, that X less than 2 only. So whole number starts from 0. So 0, next 1, less than 2. So below 2 only want to take. So 2 will come? No. So 0, 1 only answer. Next B is equal to X belongs to N. N is natural number. Natural number starts from 1. Such that 1 less than X less than equal to 4. So what are the answer? Here 1 less than. Here not 1 equal. So it starts from 2, 3. Here less than or equal to. So 4 also want to come. 2, 3, 4. B answer 2, 3, 4. A answer 0, 1. C answer already given. C equal to 3, 5. So first one LHS side what we want to find? A cross B intersection C. So before we complete bracket. So first we find B intersection C. B answer 2, 3, 4 intersection C answer 3, 5. Intersection means common. Here 2, 3, 4 and 3, 5. Which is common? 3. 3 only common. So the answer is 3. B intersection C answer is 3. Next you find A cross B intersection C. So A cross B intersection C is equal to A answer 0, 1 cross B intersection C answer 3. So what is the answer? Here we take first element 0, 3. So 0, 3 and then next to 1, 3. So that's all. That is A cross B intersection C answer. That is multiplication number 1. Next you find RHSI. RHSI A cross B is equal to A element 0, 1 cross B 2, 3, 4. So write the answer 0, 2. Next is 0, 3, 0, 4. Next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. That's all. That is A cross B answer. Next you find A cross C. That is A 0, 1 cross C 3, 5. 3, 5. So write the order pass 0, 3 and 0, 5. Next 1, 3. Next 1, 5. That is A cross C answer. This is A cross B answer. Here A cross B intersection A cross C want to find. So A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to A cross B answer 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 intersection A cross C answer 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. So intersection means common. So what are the common? Both A cross B and A cross C. Here 0, 2, no. So 0, 3, 0, 4, no 0, 4, 1, 2, no 1, 3. And any other 1, 4, here 1, 5 only. So what are the common? 0, 3, 1, 3. That's all. So A cross B intersection A cross C. That is second equation. So LHS side answer A cross B intersection C equal to 0, 3, 1, 3 and A cross B intersection A cross C equal to 0, 3, 1, 3. So LHS answer is equal to RHS. Therefore from 1 and 2 we get A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. That is verified. Is it clear? Now we see third sum. Sixth number, third option. A union B cross C equal to A cross C union B cross C. So first you want to find bracket A union B and cross C. That is LHS answer. And RHS A cross C. First you complete this bracket and B cross C. And then take union of these two answers. So we get RHS answer. So already we find A answer, B and C. So first you find A union B is equal to A 0, 1 union B 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Union means combine the two sets. So what is the answer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here no repeated elements. So write all the elements. That is A union B. Next A union B cross C. So A union B cross C is equal to, what is A union B answer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 cross C 3, 5. 3, 5. So write the order pass here 0 we take and 3, 5. 0, 3, 0, 5. Next we take 1 and 3, 5. 1, 3, 1, 5. Next we take 2. 2, 3, 2, 5. Next we take 3. 3, 3 and 3, 5. Next we take 4. So 4, 3, 4, 5. That is A union B cross C answer. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. That is LHS answer. Mark equation number 1. Next we find A cross C. A cross C. A answer 0, 1 cross C 3, 5. So write A cross C. Then 0, 3. Next is 0, 5. Next we take 1. So 1, 3, 1, 5. So that's all in A cross C. Next you find B cross C. So B cross C is equal to B element 2, 3, 4. B element 2, 3, 4 cross C 3, 5. So write the order class. Here we take 2 first. 2, 3 and 2, 5. Next we take 3. 3, 3, 3, 5. Next we take 4. 4, 3, 4, 5. That's all. So RHS A cross C union B cross C. So A cross C union B cross C. So combine these two elements. Any repeated means write only one time. So first write A cross C. 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5 union B cross C answer 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Now combine these two sets A cross C and B cross C. So write here 0, 3 and 0, 5. Next 1, 3 and 1, 5. Next 2, 3. Any repeated? No. So 2, 3. Next 2, 5. Here is there? No. So 2, 5. And 3, 3. Here no elements. So 3, 3. Next 3, 5. Here any repeated elements means write only one time. Here no repeated elements. So write all. 3, 5. Next 4, 3. Here no 4, 3. So write one time. Next 4, 5. So now we find A cross C union B cross C. So that is RHS answer. Check the LHS answer. 0, 3. Here 0, 3. Here 0, 5. 0, 5. 1, 3. 1, 3. Here 1, 5. 1, 5. 2, 3. Here 2, 3. 6, 2, 5. 2, 5. And 3, 3. 3, 5. 4, 3. 4, 5. So that is mark equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we get. From 1 and 2 we get this LHS answer is equal to RHS. What is LHS answer? A union B cross C is equal to RHS A cross C union B cross C. So that is verified. So first you complete the bracket and then fully completed LHS. Here RHS first you completed bracket and this bracket and complete the RHS side. We check it, both answer LHS and RHS answers are equal. Suppose this question only asks me you mark equation 1 and 2. Here 3 options given. So first option already you mark equation 1 and 2. Second option you mark 3 and 4. And third option you mark 5 5 and 6. In examinations, ask this question only means you mark 1 and 2. Is it clear? Have you understand this one? So now next we see 7th question. 7th one, let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than A. B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than A. C is equal to the set of even prime number. Verify that A cross B minus C. B minus C or B difference C, both are same. Equal to A cross B difference or minus A cross C. Here first one homework, second option now we do it. Here A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than A. That is a descriptive form. We want to convert into roster form. So A is equal to all natural numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1. So here the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Less than 8 means below 8. So what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 8 only. So up to 7. Next B. B, the set of all prime numbers. Prime numbers less than 8. So below 8, prime numbers only want to consider. So what are the prime numbers? 1 is a prime? No. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So next 2. 3. Yes, 3 is a prime number. 4 is a prime number? No, that is a composite number. So next 5. 6 is a prime number? No, that is a composite. So next number 7. Yes, this is a prime number. 8. No, that is a composite number. Next 9. Yes, that also composite number. Here up to 8 only want to take. So no need to more than 8. So up to 7 only answer. 2, 3, 5, 7. Third C said the set of even prime numbers. We consider set B option prime number, but C even prime number. How many even prime number? In number system only one even prime number, that is 2. C answer, the set of even prime number is C equal to 2. So now we find that. So first you want to complete bracket. B minus C or B difference C. What is the definition of difference? The elements belongs to first one but not belongs to second one. So the B side, write the B side. 2, 3, 5, 7. Different C 2. So here what is the definition? The elements belongs to first one but not belongs to second one. So here 2 belongs to second one also. So 2 not come. What is the remaining answer? 3, 5, 7. So B difference C answer 3, 5, 7. Next let us say A cross B difference C. A cross B difference C is equal to, what is that A elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross B difference C 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Write the order pairs. Here we take 1 and 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 1, 5 and 1, 7. Next we take 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next we take 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next we take 4, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next 6, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next we take 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So that's all. First we consider 1 and write the 3 elements. And 2, 3 elements. 3 and 3 elements. 4, 3 elements. 5, these 3 elements. 6, these 3 elements. And 7, these 3 elements. So now completely. So that is a LHS answer. A cross B minus C. That is what equation number 1. Next you find A cross B. A cross B is equal to, write the A, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross B 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So write the ordered pairs. First we take 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 5, 1, 7. Next we take 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next we take 3, 2, 3, 5 and 3, 7. Next we take 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 7. Next 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next we start 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5 and 7, 7. So that's all. That is A cross B. Next you find A cross C. So A cross C is equal to, A answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross C 2. So write the ordered pairs. Here we take 1, 2. That's all. 1 over. Next 2, 2. Next we take 3, 2. Next 4, 2. Next 5, 2. Next 6, 2. Next 7, 2. So A cross B and A cross C completed. Next you find A cross B minus A cross C. Now A cross B minus A cross C. So what is the difference definition? The elements belongs to A cross B, does not belongs to A cross C. So see that A cross B. Here 1, 2 belongs to A cross C. So here not in the answer. Next 1, 3. Here there is no 1, 3. So 1, 3. Here 1, 2. Next 1, 5. Here there is no 1, 5. Here 1, 7. No. 2, 2. Here also 2, 2. Here also 2, 2. Next here 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 7. 3, 2. Here also 3, 2. Here also 3, 2. Next here 4, 2. Also 4, 2. Next 5, 2. 5, 2. Next 6, 2. Here 6, 2. 6, 2. Next 7, 2. 7, 2. So these are the remaining only answer. So what are the answer? 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7 and 2, 3, 2, 5 and 2, 7 and 3, 3 and 3, 5 and 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, next 4, 7, next 5, 3 is 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, and 7, 7. That's all. So, this A cross B minus A cross C answer is marked equation number 2. So, what is the first equation answer? First equation 1, 3, here also 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, and 3, 3, and 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So both the equations are equal. So at last what we get? From 1 and 2 we get, let's say A cross B difference C or B minus C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. So that is verified. Is it clear? First you find this bracket B minus C. Minus means the elements belongs to B but does not belongs to C. And find A cross B minus C. That is LHS answer. And next find A cross B. And find A cross C. And the elements belongs to A cross B minus A cross C. So both we check it. Is equal or not? So here equal. So therefore A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Hence verified. The remaining sums are homework. Thank you students.